Hi friends, welcome back. So this is a Nifty 1 hour time frame analysis. So from last two videos what I have discussed that this move is the first move and this is 2 and this is 3 almost completed. Okay, and A equal to, if you see the price from here to here what is moved and from to here almost equal in the price. So if this is leg A and this is B and this is going to be C, okay, and almost 1 is equal to 3. So after that Nifty what happened? This is the fourth move. Please see my last video what I am discussing. So in the last video already I have discussed this is leg A, this is leg A and this is leg B, and this is the elongated zigzag move what Nifty has done. Okay, after that Nifty give a pushback to the recent latest high. Okay, it is going to touch the latest high, that is 14,700. it is going to cross this mark. So before crossing this mark it will be not a straight, it can be a straight, but if it is 14,600, if it is closed above, then it can carry on easily. But what I am telling from the last video, these will be the major support. 14,350 is the major support which is broken, then it is come to here and it will take the support over here, I have told. And yesterday also I told that 14,100 it should not break. If 14,100 is broken, then what will happen? Nifty will come to 13,100. So this has not been done and Nifty has taken the support from here, and this, if you see the retracement, it has come to 1.618%, and this has gone, then there is a support and there is a pullback. Okay, so this is what I have told yesterday also, and now also I am telling this is what happened. Okay, so now if you see, so what it has done, okay, what it has done, please guys, be a learner, don't be like that. Don't think that you will be a jackpot, somebody will give you a jackpot and you will do that. Will not work in the trading, that will never work in the trading, I am telling you. If you learn all these things, then only you can work out on your own, otherwise you can't. Somebody is giving the tips and you cannot work out in that. So be a learner, so that what I am telling, if you carry on with this, then you could be a good achiever in the trading. Okay, you can achieve your targets. So what I was telling, that this would be a good support, and what I have told you, that the indicator, what I have told you, the best indicator in the Elliott wave analysis, it works. So one is a 13 moving average high and a 13 moving average low. Okay, so yesterday I told you that moving average, if it is crossing the moving average, if it is crossing the 13 days high moving average, then you can take the trade on the long side. And what happens then it, see, it close above 2 candles. Whenever it is closing in 1 hour time frame, you can carry on with a long side. So I told you, and for a safer side, you should wait. Whoever is not an aggressive trader, they can wait till this one. If it is crossing 14,600, then they can go for the long side. This can be one of the resistance. So whatever happens, see, 2 candlestick close means you can go to the longer side. So what will happen now? Nifty can go like this, and little bit some retracement will come. Okay, if tomorrow also there is no gap up or no rise, it can take a resistance over here. Please mark this, guys, it can take a resistance over here. Okay, this high could be the one of the resistance. If this high is crossed, then it can take a resistance over here, that is about to be double top. Okay, ATH is always a double top. It is very, if it is crossed, then only 14,700 is coming, and this could be the climax zone. So but we right now we don't know. Okay, So we'll go with the trend. Okay, we'll go with the trend. So Nifty is going to, in a 1 hour time frame, this will be the fifth move. Okay, and fifth move can be truncated over here 14,700 or in the double top also. So if it is crossing, then we'll check. Okay, if it is going a sideways move, then it will be better. So it can cross 15,200. If it is going like this, then it could be a chance of fall. Okay, so as I told you, this could be the there here could be the consolidation zone. Okay, here Nifty could go like this and come like this. Okay, so let me rub this. So this could be the consolidation zone, like this, and you should be very careful. If it is two candlesticks are closing below this red, then you could see that some fall can happen. But this is a fourth wave. Whipsaws can be there, as I have told already. If you want to check my last video, you can check it. So all the details I have told what will happen. Okay, so we should see. So now we are in a long side. Okay, and we should see this range 14,600. So Nifty will take some resistance, then it will make a wave. This will make a wave 1 and 2, then it will go, okay, towards 15,200. Okay, then we can see something, actually the decisive fall can happen or not, we have to check. Okay, but you have to be very, make sure VIX is rising. Okay, that is the one indicator which is giving that some distribution is happening over here. Okay, so be careful for that. Okay, just a precaution, but be on the long side for now. Okay, so this is all about the Nifty. So let's go to the Bank Nifty. Okay, for Bank Nifty, actually Bank Nifty is in the fourth move. Actually, what I have told in the daily chart, you can check my last video. This we are in the 1 hour time frame analysis. For 1 hour time frame analysis, so we are doing some analysis over here. So this one can be equal to this 3, so that's why I have marked over here 33,000. Okay, so but it is in the fourth move in the daily time frame analysis, so there will be some consolidation over here. But if this daily ATH is crossed, that is 32,718, then Bank Nifty can easily goes to first target would be 33,383. But this ATH, this 32,718 could be the major resistance where Bank Nifty can consolidate. Okay, Bank Nifty is a weak relative to Nifty, but if Bank Nifty can fall or something like this, or it can consolidate, the Nifty can easily consolidate over here. Okay, Nifty can easily consolidate over here before moving to 15,200. So Bank Nifty is at 33,383 is on the card. But now, as for now, this can be the support 31,656. Okay, 31,656 can be the support, and if this ATH is crossed, then 33,383 can come. Okay, minimum target. Then from there we will recount for the fifth. Okay, what will happen, because from there some fall will be there, then we'll have to recalculate. Okay, but as of now, Bank Nifty is also strong. Seems to be strong, but it is in a sideways direction. It is in a sideways direction, not it cannot be in a one-sided move. Okay, this is called one-side move. This is what you are seeing. This is called one-side move. This is called one-side move. This is not the one-side move. This is a consolidation phase. Okay, because Bank Nifty in the fourth wave, it is in the fourth wave, so it will be in daily time frame, it is in the fourth wave, so it will be in the consolidation phase only. Okay, so Nifty is showing also the same thing. Okay, after a fall there will be always a pullback, but it doesn't mean that it will go straight away. So that is what I was to telling, and mark my level, and with this level you can work on, and this is my view only. And before taking any trade, consult your financial advisor for this and take your trade, or take your trade at your own risk. Thank you guys.